Today, we're making an easy vegetable dish, Sambal Terong Balado, or spicy Indonesian-style Balado Eggplant. This is one of my favorite ways of cooking vegetables, and this is so good over rice. Eggplant is most commonly used, but you most certainly can use other vegetables too, and I'll show a version of that in this video as well. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, first let's prepare the eggplant. I have 2 eggplants here. Slice your eggplants this way. And then place that in your steaming dish and then steam away. I steamed it for about 15 minutes or until it's soft. So traditionally, the eggplant is fried in oil until it softens, but I much prefer the healthier method of steaming it. Same flavor and the same texture as if it's fried, so why not? It's healthier. 15 minutes later and you should get these soft eggplants. While you're steaming the eggplants, prepare the balado sauce. Super easy. You need some tomatoes. Just give it a rough chop like this. As well as fresh red chillies. Chop them up like this as well. And onion and garlic. Throw all of these in a food processor, or you can also just roughly chop them up. Give it a rough blitz, and tada! You have your sambal balado sauce. You can chop it up finer if you prefer that, but I really much prefer this rough chop consistency, so I'm good here. And we're actually ready to cook. In a pan, we are going to heat up some oil. Once it's hot, toss in the balado sauce mince and just stir fry that. Stir fry the balado sauce until it's fragrant or until the onions turn translucent, and then toss in your eggplants. Season with salt and sugar. Give it a final stir fry, and then guess what? You are done. Super easy. This is the more traditional sambal balado terong, but you can in fact use any other vegetables that you like. So in the second version, I have a zucchini. I love zucchinis. Okra or lady's fingers. Baby corn and some cauliflower. I would recommend the non-leafy vegetables for this. The leafy ones would tend to soak up a lot of the grease, and then it's just not so fun to eat. Same process as before. I'm going to cook these by steaming them first. And then we saute the balado sauce. And once fragrant, we add the steamed vegetables and just stir through. Give it a seasoning of salt and sugar, and then tada, you are done. I always love a very colorful vegetable dish. This is one of my favorite vegetable dishes ever to serve over rice, and it's so easy and spicy and quick to whip up. So yeah, make sure you give it a go, and bye!